In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task to someone in Microsoft To Do. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along on your phone or tablet. Assigning a task is perfect for delegating work, clarifying ownership, and keeping your shared projects moving without confusion. For this walkthrough, we'll assume you already have a shared list with the people you want to collaborate with, since assignments only work inside shared lists. Start by opening the Microsoft To Do app. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to your shared lists. If you use multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one so the correct lists appear. Next, open the shared list where the task lives. Shared lists typically show a small collaboration icon, and everyone you see listed there will be eligible to be assigned tasks. If you don't see the list you're expecting, pull to refresh or confirm you're connected to the internet. Now find and tap the task you want to assign. This opens the task details so you can see everything related to it, like due dates, notes, and reminders. Pick the exact task you want someone to own. That way there's no overlap or confusion. Clear task names make this easier to manage later. Inside the task details, tap Assign To. Depending on your device, this may appear near the top of the task or within an options area. If Assign To isn't visible, it usually means the task isn't in a shared list, so make sure you're still inside the list you intended to use. From the people picker that appears, tap the person's name. You'll only see people who are already part of the shared list. Once you select a name, the assignment is applied immediately. You should now see their name, initials, or profile image associated with the task, confirming they're the owner. They'll typically receive a notification and the task will show up in their Assigned to Me view, helping them track what's on their plate. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft To Do, go to your shared list, open the task, tap Assign To, and choose the person. A quick tip before we wrap up: if you plan to assign several tasks, it helps to keep task titles concise and add any key details in the notes section so the assignee has the context they need. Also, periodic app updates can improve reliability, so keeping Microsoft To Do current ensures the assigned option behaves as expected. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.